Okay, so let me just read example 1 first, and then we'll write it down. It's to prove that x equals -2 is a solution to an equation x cubed minus x plus 6 equals 0. So we're asked to prove x equals -2 is a solution of, and then it's x cubed minus x plus 6 equals 0. Okay. Well, this is not that hard to do. What we're going to do is we're going to start with wherever there's an x, I'm just going to put a set of parentheses because we're going to replace some value for x. Now here's the thing, since we're saying that x is equal to -2, that's what we're going to replace it with. We're going to put a -2 wherever there was an x. Now, following order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Well, P stands for parentheses, right? But there's no work to be done inside the parentheses, okay? So we could check that off the list. Next, we have exponents. So there's only one exponent, that's -2 raised to the 3rd power. So let's look at that. That's saying that we have -2 times -2 times -2 3 times. So -2 times 2 is a +4 times -2 again is -8. So all that work to get -8. Then everything else remains the same, except now I'm going to minus -2. When you minus, what are you really doing? Adding. I know that's probably not the most formal way to say it, but that's how I get my little kids to remember it. All right, plus 6 equals 0. So now let's add all this up. -8. So we have gotten rid of the exponents. We did some multiplication because technically we multiplied -1 times -2. Oh wait, that's not 4, is it? What is it? It's +2. Why did I write down 4? You guys got to pay attention. So no more multiplication, no more division. Now when you add or subtract, it's always left to right. So we're just going to go left to right. So what is -8 plus 2? -6 plus 6. What's -6 plus 6? 0. Is it true? Is that the solution? Yes. X equals -2 is a solution. Okay? I'm going to draw my little box around my answer. Any questions on that? Does that make sense to you guys? Okay.